Welcome. In front of me is a TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I'll show you how we can enable the power saving mode on this tablet. So to get started, let's pull down notifications, expand it, and in here you'll find the battery saver toggle. So all you need to do is simply tap on it. It'll give you a pop-up, battery saver is on, and that's basically all you need to do. Now, as you see, the brightness of the device does change quite drastically. Even though we're still maxing out our brightness, it is significantly dimmer now. So that's one of the things that you'll experience with the power saving mode enabled. And one more probable thing that will happen is if you have Wi-Fi enabled, if you expect some kind of notifications to come through when the device is not being used, that's probably not going to happen, though I am kind of guessing. That's kind of how usually power saving works when the device is in sleep mode, meaning not being used, with a screen just locked like this. This would be considered sleep mode, where the device would go into sleep mode after a couple of minutes. And in power saving mode, it normally disconnects from things like Wi-Fi, mobile data, and so on. So because of that, you might not be getting any kind of notifications that are relying on an internet connection. So just keep that in mind if you're wondering what is happening. So anyway, once you're done with it, you can simply tap on the toggle once more to turn it off, and everything will go back to functioning normally. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.